Hey guys, I'm Adam with Range 42. Today we're going to be going over the disassembly and reassembly of Springfield Armory's new pistol, the Echelon. Let's get to it. Today we are going to be going over the disassembly and reassembly of the new Springfield Armory Echelon. To begin the disassembly here, we're going to start with making sure the firearm is clear. We'll do that by removing the source of ammunition. So we're going to release the mag there. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to lock that slide to the rear. And we are going to physically and visually inspect the chamber to make sure we're clear. We're going to do the same with the mag well here. It's clear. And then we're just going to double check, make sure that is clear. And we are clear. So next, to begin the disassembly, we are going to take this takedown lever here that also doubles as a gas pedal, and we are going to push that down clockwise into the 6 o'clock position, just like so. Once we have that in the 6 o'clock position, we're going to take the slide release here, and we're going to grab the slide, push that slide release down, and let it slide forward off of the frame there. Now the frame is as far broken down as we want it to be, so we could just set that off to the side, clean it and lube it up. And then we're going to move to the slide here, and we're going to set that upside down here, and we're going to compress this spring here. That is the Recoil Spring. So we just compress that bad Larry like that. We can pull it right out, and I'm going to set it in this tray here just so we don't lose any parts. Next, we're going to get to the barrel here. To take that out, we're just going to push it forward and up and out, like so, just like that. Now at this point, we have the firearm as broken down as we want it to be. We can clean our slide, clean our frame, and clean the barrel and the recoil spring, and then get everything lubed up. And then once we want to reassemble, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the barrel, the last thing we took out, and we want the flat part of the barrel to go down. So we're just going to push the barrel towards the front of the slide, and it'll sit right into place there. It kind of locks in. Next, we're going to take the recoil spring. The recoil spring on the Echelon has a textured front. We want this textured part to be going towards the front of the barrel. So we're just going to take it, and we're going to compress that spring once we slide it in the slot there. And there will be a little notch on the barrel here, on the bottom of the barrel, that the recoil spring is going to sit right into. Now, we have the slide completely reassembled, so now we want to get that slide onto our frame here. If you look on the frame, we've got these rails. What we want is we want this part of the slide here to fit right onto those rails. So I like to start at the beginning of the frame and just slide all the way back until we catch those rails. Continue sliding all the way back, and then lock that slide into place. And now we want to take that takedown lever, and we're just going to flip it back up counterclockwise into its original position. It'll snap right into place, as you're going to see right here, just like that. And then now we can hit that slide release, and our firearm is back together. That's how you do it.